Greetings everyone, I am Geetika and we are Team Blueblaze working on the problem statement, Smart Tourist Safety Monitoring and Incident Response System using AI, Geo-Fencing and blockchain. As you all know, tourism is one of India's strengths, but safety is still a big gap. We have seen it in Pahalgam where many tourists got attacked and in Meghalaya where visitors got abused in unsafe homestays. Imagine a family in Pahalgam visiting for snow and valleys but facing a danger near a landslide or a river. A trip meant for joy turns unsafe. That's why we are designing a digital seatbelt for travel, which ensures the safety of the tourists and also make authorities act faster and reassure their families. Now that we have understood our problem, our team lead Kalyan will now explain the solution. Sanchar.
Our solution is Sanchar, meaning communication. Sanchar is like a safety companion in your phone. If you enter a danger zone, you will get an instant alert. Families can see the last known locations of their family members. Police and dashboard authorities can get a real-time dashboard of tourist locations to monitor and respond. What makes Sanchar unique from other apps is most of the safety features will be offline, meaning you can use the safety features without internet, and there will be offline maps for emergency purpose. And the alert system works on the basis of a unique algorithm, nearest and fastest response unit, meaning it will alert based on the nearest and fastest response unit. And we monitor the tourist based on the safety scores to reduce the computational cost and prioritize the real risk. We can use the solution in many areas right now, and Meghalaya bridge route is one of the case where the bridge is overcrowded. We can control the overcrowd by using Sanchar app. Pahalgam and other areas where the riverbanks are narrow too dangerous. So, but how does this system really works in practice? My teammate Munna will now walk you through the technical implementation and technical approach of the solution. Thank you.
Sanchar will be built using technologies that are already proven in the real world. The mobile web will be developed in Kotlin, and React dashboards will give authorities a smooth and responsive interfaces. For the backend, we are using Spring Boot with PostgreSQL and MongoDB, the same system trusted by banks for reliability and scale. Our AI engine, built in Python, will detect unusual activities. For example, if a tourist enters a land-prone area. For security, blockchain-based tourist studies. It will make sure identities cannot be faked or misused. Even in poor network zones, SOS alerts will still go through the thanks to SMS, WebSockets and offline caching. And finally, cloud deployment. Cloud deployment with Dockers and Kubernetes ensures Sanchar can scale easily, whether for one town like Pahalgam or entire state like Sikkim. With this, we've shown the technology, but the key question is, can it really apply on the ground? For that, my teammate Rohit will now explain the feasibility.
Before implementing any solution, we should have to check whether it is feasible. Yeah, our solution is completely practical. Here we can see the need is urgent because tourists continue to face accidents in mountains, rivers and remote zones. Also, the technology is already mature. That like we are not creating it, just applying in our solution like geofencing, AI and blockchain. Also, the integration is simple since it can connect directly with India's emergency helpline. Also, we provide dashboards to the local authorities. Even in low network areas, SMS-based SOS and offline maps will keep tourists protected. Overall, the system is realistic, reliable, and ready to deploy. Now, my friend Srinivas will continue about business topic.
Now coming to the business model, we are using multi-sided platform business model, meaning there will be one single app to meet all the requirements of the tourist, from various kind of bookings, from a simple taxi to a restaurant they want to stay at, they want to eat at, and a hotel they want to stay at. And there is a particular reason why we picked this business model. Even with all the features and requirements are fulfilled, there is one single thing that need to be pointed out, that is the sustainability. To maintain the solution, we need some revenue, and this model can bring us some revenue through the bookings and commissions. So it is a win-win situation for all the authorities and tourists as well. Now my friend Satvik will explain how it will impact in real world.
Sanchar creates triple impact: socially, economically, and environmentally for tourists' peace of mind. For example, a solo woman in Pahalgam can alert family and police in one tap. For authorities, dashboards show high-risk clusters like overcrowding that leads to faster response. For locals, safer tourism attracts more visitors, leading more jobs and income. For environment, avoids overcrowding in fragile zones like Kulmat by guiding them to safer alternatives. In short, Sanchar builds trust, boosts the economy, and protects nature. But this isn't just imagination, it's built on strong research. Now, my teammate will explain further about it.
Sanchar will be designed based on the existing systems and research. It will integrate with ERS's Emergency Response Support System, the 112 helpline, so that the SOS alert directly reaches to the emergency services. It will also align with the National Digital Tourism Mission, which is already digitizing tourism. And states are also moving ahead, like Meghalaya collects guest data digitally, and Sikkim uses Smart Darshan to manage crowds. Globally, tools like Mapbox Geo-Fencing, AI anomaly detection, and blockchain IDs are already proven. This gives us the confidence that Sanchar, once designed and implemented, can become India's next step in smart tourism safety. These references show that Sanchar is practical and also future ready. To conclude, we Team Blueblaze presents Sanchar, a smart tourist safety monitoring and incident response system which combines AI, geofencing, blockchain, and cloud deployment to create a safer, smarter, and more enjoyable travel across India. Just like we wear seatbelts in cars, Sanchar is a digital seatbelt for tourism, a solution designed today which is ready to be built for tomorrow. Thank you.